tell you what, it is cold. It's cold outside. Y'all, it's cold out here. 19 degrees. No, ma'am. Yeah, I just got my hair done. She did a good job. Y'all, she has been doing my sew-ins for so long. It's been a long time. But anyway, welcome to the vlog, y'all. So right now I'm just preparing for the holidays, so which y'all seen early in the video. So I'm just preparing for the holidays. So right now what we're about to do, we are about to go to the grocery store. Go ahead and go to Publix to pick up a few items, and then after that I am going home. I am definitely going home, y'all. I'm going home. It's cold out here. Let me put my GPS on so I can get back to my side of the globe. And yes, you guys, are you guys prepared for the holidays? Are you having like a party at your house or gatherings? So yeah, how's it going for y'all? Cause your girl is around here trying to make some moves out here in this cold weather, y'all. It's so cold. Ooh, honey, I need to hurry up and get to the house immediately. But anyway, so I just wanted to pop on here and say hello and let you guys know what we're about to do next. What I'm about to do, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog in the store, y'all, because it's just too cold for all this. Anyway, I will see y'all in the next clip. Okay, y'all, it is the next day. Last night, what did I do? Probably, I ain't do too much in there, y'all. I came home, spent some time with my grandbaby, and I just watched TV. I didn't do that. I didn't feel like. But right now, we're finna go ahead and start filling up these bags. I'm gonna show you guys the bags, and I'm also gonna show you the items that we're gonna be putting in the bags. But I'm finna fill up these bags because I do my charitable giving. So we're gonna do that and make sure. And I'm gonna show you guys everything that I typically do. Hopefully, this one will help me. I don't know. What you doing? Can I see it? Thank you, Mama. Thank you. You gonna put them in the thing? You gonna put them back? Okay. Okay. What's gonna go in the bags? They're gonna have a hand towel, some pocket tissues. Y'all, this is all they had at the Dollar Tree, okay? I was like, oh, a lot of animated cartoon characters. It is what it is. Anywho. A package of 6-pack of the Ritz crackers, and I decided to put some hand soap in these little containers. In the containers, I got these for $1 from the Dollar Tree. Peppermint, some Tylenol, and a bottle of water. Got the bag stuff. Yay! Fantastic.